Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy, back today with a Dollar Tree haul. I've got some crafty stuff and some everyday stuff, but we're going to jump right into that. But first, I want to give a shout out to the people at Mary Maid. They sent me 2 great packs of heat transfer vinyl, some just plain matte, and then some glitter and reflective vinyl. And not only did they send me vinyl to try out, they are going to give one of my viewers the same set of 2 packs of vinyl. So stay tuned to the next craft video after this, where I'm going to show what I make with this great vinyl, and you could be the winner of a double pack just like this. But anyway, let's get to the Dollar Tree haul. Three, two, one. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was 2 of these little wooden crates. These are so great to craft with. If you put 3 or 4 of them together, you could just glue them together and hang them on the wall and have a cute little shelf. But I've got an idea for these, inspired by a craft from Garrett and Kim Do It. I love their channel. I'll put a link to their channel below, and the craft that I'm going to be trying to duplicate in miniature. So y'all stay tuned for that. It's really cute. I picked up this cute little moon book. It's the moon phase book. It's got some pretty pages in it, and you can write the phases of the moon. And this is from the Crown Jewels. But I just thought that was so cute. It'd be nice to write down my projects that I'm trying to get done. And this isn't in any particular order, it's just thrown in my bag. They had these great little sunflowers. I love sunflowers. My daddy's nickname was Sonny. Everybody called him Sonny Boy. And when he passed away, we sent a big bouquet of sunflowers. But they're my favorite flower. Sunflowers and lilies. But I love those. And those are great. This is a pack of 9, and then the larger one is a pack of 6. Oh, and then some more crafting stuff. I've got 2 Styrofoam Skulls. I'm going to do some Halloween crafts. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, right next to Christmas. So that's a little odd, but anyway, I got those. I saw where somebody took a skull, but I don't know if it was Styrofoam or if it was plastic. But I think it will work with the Styrofoam, where you dilute some borax, just plain old 20 mule team borax, in some water with a certain ratio, but I've got to look that up and investigate it further. And then you dip an object in it, and crystals form all over that object. So I thought this would be pretty cool as a crystal skull. So that's what I'm going to try to do. And if you never see a video of that, then you know that it didn't work. I know I'm always promising videos that never come, but that's because life gets in the way. I wish I was a retired person who could stay home and didn't have responsibility, so I could do all the crafts that are in my head. But anyway. Oh, my crafter square at my Dollar Tree finally got in the Scrabble Tiles, and my sister wants a little Scrabble picture tile, or whatever you call it, with her name and her puppy's name. So I'm going to make one for her. So I picked up several bags. I think I got 4 or 5 bags, just so I would have enough. Oh, and this was so cool. It's looks like hammered silver. Of course, it's not silver. It's just some kind of metal. Little tin. I thought this would be cute to put my crystals in, or some incense or something. I thought it was really cute. I'm going to paint this little ball on the top because it's gold, and I just don't like gold and silver together. So I'm probably will paint that silver, or maybe put a jewel on it or something. But I thought that was really cute. I'm going to put it on my makeup table to put my rings in. So, and then another craft idea. I found some gorgeous, gorgeous dog pictures. You know I'm crazy about my dogs. I have 4 rescue dogs in my family, and my sister has 3. But I had these huge canvas prints, dog pictures that I got from TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Burlington, but I needed some little ones. They're all great big, like 20 by 24, and I needed some little ones. So I got these canvases to see if I can recreate some pictures to match the ones that I have in my living room, and I will show that to y'all. I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna try to do sublimation. If sublimation won't work, maybe I'll try a water slide or some kind of transfer onto this, because I know this canvas is not, you can't sublimate straight to the canvas. Well, you can, but it won't show up good. But I saw a TikTok hack where they sublimated on clear adhesive transfer vinyl, so I'm going to try that on there and see if I can get some cool pictures. And now here's just some normal everyday stuff. I picked up the facial oil with rose oil extract facial spa kit. Y'all know I love a beauty day. I try to do it every Sunday. I do a little mask on my hair and one on my face, and just try to pamper yourself. You just got to remember to take time for yourself, because I know we're all struggling right now, but just got to do that self-care. I picked up some of the Colgate Max Fresh Knockout toothpaste. You can't beat that for $1, and I like to switch my toothpaste up, so it's better for me to buy the small tubes at Dollar Tree than like a big tube at Walmart. And I always get my cleansing wipes at Dollar Tree, facial and body. This is the Collagen cleansing wipes by Global Beauty Care. Those are good. I like to use those. They're really good at getting your mascara off. And then I love these for the bathroom. And oh, pups. Did you see a squirrel? These Modest Basics Fresh Scent and Sheer Lavender. These are great for keeping you nice and fresh in all those areas that get not so fresh. Oh, and then I picked up this great Crafter Square Iron-On Art. It's a butterfly with little flowers or stars. And I'm just going to press that onto a shirt. I have previously got the one that was a heart, and it turned out really good. It stuck very well. It looked really good. They do have other ones that are feathers, and I would like those except for they're gold, and I don't really do that much gold. So I just passed on those. And Crafter Square is now getting in some jewelry findings. This is a great deal. 7 ounces of 0.23 inch or 6 millimeter jump rings for jewelry making. And y'all know I love my jewelry. I probably should share it with y'all. I love to make earrings and bracelets, or take old jewelry and make new jewelry, or jewelry that won't work for the purpose it was intended for but will work for something else. And then I picked up these Adore paper clips with the little plastic fruits on the end, the smiley faces. I thought those were really cute. And I picked up these tall candles in the vase. I think I'm going to do some water slide decals on these, or maybe some vinyl to do fall and Halloween decor. Oh, and now Dollar Tree has these not only in the white, but they have black and orange and pink and green. They have all the colors. It's really great. So, and these are great in case, like you're like me, you live in hurricane territory, so you never know when those lights are going to go out. These are good to have on hand. And I picked up my Weiler's lights. I usually get these to add to my unsweetened tea. They give it a good lemony flavor, and it's better than keeping lemons around because I always forget to use the lemons. But I got that, and it's 8 singles to go. And I usually put 1 to 2 packs in a pitcher of tea, so it comes out really good. It has a nice lemon flavor, not overpowering. Then I picked up some of the Sure Scents Berry Blast. These go on those little oil warmers that you plug in, but that's not how I use them. I have the air diffusers where you put the essential oils in the water in the little diffuser and then let it go. And if you take the cap off of these or turn them upside down and shake them, the oil will drop right out into your diffuser and your house will smell fabulous. So that's what I get these for. And oh, I'm getting down to the bottom of my bag here. Oh, here's one more little bag. Oh, these are my black candles for Halloween. nice size pillow candle for $1.25. That's great. I wish they would have the candle without the glass, just the tall pillar candle. That would be great. That would be fabulous if I could get that. And then I picked up the Bang Citrus Twist energy drink. I love these. I have them every now and then. I try not to drink too many of them because I know they must be really bad for you. This has no carbs in it. I mean, it does have carbs. No carbs. But anyway, this is good, and I like this, and I love the lemon drop ones. So they're really good. And then I picked up some floral wire. They had it in the different colors, and for Halloween I picked up a black and a purple. And then I picked up some of the berry garland for all those fall DIYs coming up. And the very last thing in my bag is this great houndstooth check scarf. This would be great for the fall and autumn. You can wear it, even wear it down, but I thought that was really cool. But anyway, y'all, that's my little Dollar Tree haul. Thanks for watching with me, and I hope you can find some bargains at Dollar Tree. There's still a lot of Halloween stuff that I'm seeing people haul that I really wish I could find at my Dollar Tree, but haven't had any luck yet. But I'll be on the hunt for them, so get out there and look and see what you can find. Remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. And stay tuned for the next DIY coming up. I'm going to be doing the Mary Maid heat transfer vinyl. I'm going to be doing not just t-shirts, but some home decor stuff to show you that you're not just limited to making up some t-shirts. You can use it for a lot more stuff. But anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.